Right now, degrees are losing power, and if your income still depends on one, then you could be falling behind faster than you think. According to new data from LinkedIn, analyzing over 1 billion user profiles and hiring trends, companies are no longer hiring based on titles. They are hiring based on skills. And the most in-demand skills right now, they are not what most people expect. Here's the part that should get your attention. Some of the fastest growing, most valuable skills today can be learned without a degree, without years of school, and in many cases for absolutely free. So the real question is, are you building the skills that the market actually rewards, or are you stuck playing by outdated rules? In today's video, we're going to be looking at the exact skills that companies are urgently hiring for right now, why AI is creating opportunities, not just fear, and the overlooked human skills that are doubling in demand, and how to position yourself so that you can earn more faster in this new economy. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the Next Level Life Hacks, where we take the next steps needed to grow towards our financial freedom and success. Now, let's talk about what is happening right now. For years, we were told, go to school, get a degree, and get a stable job. Simple. But here is the problem. The world did not stay simple. According to LinkedIn, their latest data is showing that companies are now hiring based on what you can do, not what your title says. Now let that sink in. Not your degree, not your job title, but your skill. And if you think that is just a trend, Forbes reported that up to 70% of job skills will change by 2030. Just a few years from now. That is 70%. Let that sink in. That means most of you watching this video right now are relying on skills that are slowly becoming outdated. That is not to scare you. That is just to wake you up, because this shift, it's not bad news. It is actually an opportunity. Now let's address the thing everybody's talking about, AI. You probably heard AI is taking jobs, AI is replacing people, but here is the truth nobody is explaining properly. AI is not just removing jobs, it is creating new jobs faster than people can keep up. LinkedIn data shows that companies are actively hiring people who can use AI tools, improve workflows, and increase efficiency. And here's where it gets interesting. You don't need to be a programmer, you don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to know how to use AI effectively. Now let's look at a real example. Let's say two persons work the same job. Person A, and let's say that is John. And I hope the Johns watching are not going to be offended, but say that he takes 8 hours to complete his tasks that are assigned to him on a daily basis. While person B, let's say Akeem, he uses AI tools, finishes in 4 hours, and produces better output. Who do you think is going to get promoted? I knew you were going to say that. It is Akeem, of course. Now let's look at the skills that are in the highest demand right now. And remember, this is not guesswork. It's based on research on LinkedIn. Now, skill number 1 is prompt engineering. Now, don't let the name scare you or fool you. It just means knowing how to ask AI the right question. That's it. And here's the crazy part. This is one of the fastest growing skills right now, and it can be learned in mere weeks. Skill number 2, AI implementation. Now, this is where the money is. This is the real game changer. Companies don't just want people who understand AI, use it to make money and use AI to improve systems. And most people, they are still stuck. Is AI going to take my job? Wrong question. The real question is, how can I use AI to increase my value? Now, these are the skills that are surprising everyone and taking them off guard, because guess what? It's not just any skills. These are human skills that are not really done by AI. That means you still have value, you still have relevance, and you still have a potential to have a very high income assisted by AI. Look at communication and storytelling. According to LinkedIn, job postings asking for storytelling skills have doubled in just 1 year. Let me say that again. doubled in 1 year. Not coding, not engineering, storytelling. Why? Because in a world full of information, the who can communicate clearly, they are the ones who win. Let's look at a real life example again. Two people have the same skill. One explains it clearly, the other one confuses everyone. Who gets hired? Who gets promoted? Who builds a better team? Who gets paid more? Exactly. Now look at leadership and people skills. People are also looking at mentorship, team leadership, adaptability, because businesses don't just run on systems, they run on people. Here's the reality check. You can be the smartest person in the room, the most skilled technically, but if you cannot communicate, you will get overlooked. Emotional intelligence is winning over every other intelligence. Now here's why this is a massive opportunity, and I need you to pay attention to this part because this is where your advantage is going to be. Now according to LinkedIn, skills are not fixed. They can be learned at any time. That means you are not stuck, you are not behind, and you are not late. You don't need another degree, you don't need 4 more years of school, and you definitely don't need thousands of dollars. You need the right skills and the willingness to learn them. Here's another scenario. Let's say someone starts learning AI tools, communication, and content creation. And within 6 to 12 months of learning those, guess what? They can increase their income, change their careers, and start side hustles, while someone else, they are still thinking about going back to school. Do you see the difference? Now you might be thinking, but what skills do I even have? Yes, that's a good question, but here's a simple method to find out. Ask the people around you, hey, what am I good at? And ask them honestly to respond to you. Preferably the persons that know you the most and they spend the most time around you. Ask them also, what do you rely on me for the most? You will start seeing a pattern coming from these people that you're asking. Now, not just in your job, but think about real life. Think of the things that you do naturally, problems that you solve, things that people ask you for help with. Then you build on that. Combine it with high value skills like AI, communication, etc. That is where your leverage comes from. Now here's what people mess up all the time, not knowing how to stand out. They will list the skills like this: communication, leadership, teamwork. That doesn't mean anything. What actually works is storytelling. Now instead of saying that I have communication skills, hear this: I use AI tools to cut my team's workload in half and improve output quality. Hear how that sounds different? And remember this as well, you don't need to be designing all of these statements and designing and creating your resume on your own. There are simple tools like ChatGPT. Just by using the free version, you can drastically improve the way you communicate and how you put across your information and how you are perceived by employers. Now let's pull this all together. Now the world is shifting from degrees and static careers. It is shifting to skills, adaptability, and continuous growth. And the people who win, they're not necessarily the smartest, and they are not the most educated ones either. They are the most adaptable. Now, quick recap. Skills now matter more than degrees. But hey, don't come at me because I'm not saying that degrees are not important, especially for those careers that need those certifications. Like if you want to become a doctor, or if you want to become an attorney, or a certified accountant. I am not saying not going to tertiary level. I'm just saying that especially if you're at a certain age and stage in life, which most of my viewers are at, stop focusing on going back to school because that is not where the trend is right now. And this is according to LinkedIn. The game is not over for you. All you have to do is shift. We also looked at AI creating opportunities, not just risk, because we tend to want to look at the negative and not look at the positive, like AI is eliminating our jobs. The next thing is that communication is becoming a top paying skill. You can learn top paying skills faster than ever, and your ability to adapt determines your income. Now, if this opened your eyes just a little bit, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below saying which one of the skills you are going to start learning this year. Also, if you want me to delve deeper into any one of those skills and how you can develop them most affordably, put it in the comment section below as well so I can know what to create the next content on. Thank you as usual for the privilege of your time. Thank you for watching, and see you as usual in the next video.